everyone. We're going to find some key features of h of x here. So this means the graph. And the first question they're asking is, where is the function increasing? So reading it from left to right, the only part I see increasing is right in here, from -2 to -1, right here. Now it's not increasing at that point, only through this interval here. So the way you're going to write that is negative. We're writing an interval notation, -2 to -1. So that's how you would write that. X-intercept, I don't see any. So that's n/a. Y-intercept, we do have a y-intercept right here. That's where it crosses the y-axis. So on the y-intercept, that means x is 0 and y is -3. Maximum, we have don't have a maximum. For this part, we do have a minimum. So if we just look at this in pieces, we have a minimum here, and that minimum value would be -2, 1. Now let's look at h of -1. So you look at -1, you have two places here. This is open and this is closed. So since it's open, you have to use the closed one because it can't equal -1. So h of -1 is just 1. All right? Domain. The domain's going to be hard. So we're looking at your x. And the way you want to do it is we're looking from left to right, but we have this jump thing going on here. And we're going to use interval notation, and that's what we started last class and why we did it. So basically looking from here on the x, we're going from -infinity all the way to -1. And it can equal -1 because that's a closed interval. We have another piece. So when you have another piece, you're going to write this union sign. So this means union. It also means or. And some teachers say unites. I don't say this too much because you don't say it when you get in higher math. I remember this is the or statement because I can write or like that. So now we're jumping, and now we're starting at -1 again. You're always looking at your x. So, but that you can't equal. So you'd put -1, and then this goes off to infinity. And that's how you would write the domain. All right, let's look at the range. This is where we're looking at from here to here. All right, we're going looking at it this way. So we're going from negative, this is -infinity, and this is infinity. So for the range, we're going from -infinity, and you're going all the way up to -1. But it can't equal 1 because we have that open thing. So use open interval. Then you're going to go unites or union. Whatever you want to say is fine. Then where are we starting here? This is where on the range you always have to look at the graph. You very rarely get it from the equation. The range is a lot harder than the domain. So we're starting at 1. And it can equal 1. And then it can keep going up and up and up. And this goes off to infinity. That's how you would do the range. And then axis of symmetry, we don't have it. Because even if you look at this piece and want to call this axis of symmetry, they don't match up. Because this doesn't continue on. It's not symmetric. And this, if you're looking at the whole piece, the whole piece is not symmetric. So here you would put n/a. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.